is Skylar with an HVAC Marksman Minute. Today we will be discussing replacing PSC blower furnaces with ECM-driven furnaces, as we are now getting to the point to where all furnaces and air handlers are starting to come with ECM motors. We will be, of course, replacing them. This is typically going to play out as a size-for-size swap out. We would normally think that it should be fine and we should not have any issues. Well, based on numerous job site visits, it has occurred to me that we are not understanding the differences these motors make. The PSC motor would typically start to slip in higher static systems. We got by with it, but when the replacement happened, we noticed that things were not all of a sudden working. Here are the two types of ECM motors: standard constant torque, goes to a speed setting and doesn't fall from it, and then upgrade, variable speed or constant CFM. Set the CFM desired and it goes there. So, with that in mind, the duct systems were typically too small and the constant torques motors would push higher static to maintain speed. Two problems. Number one, noise. And two, higher static, which means less CFM and more energy needing to be exerted by the motor and stress on the motor. So we will need to take a static pressure reading of the system and verify on the blower chart what CFM we are getting. Constant CFM gets you the airflow, but again at the cost of noise, plus high energy usage, and potential premature breakdown of the motor itself. So be careful with your quoting. Be sure to do your due diligence by making sure you have the proper amount of ductwork to make it work well. For heating, CFM equals output BTU divided by 1.08 times the desired temperature rise. For cooling, 400 CFM per ton. For example, 3-ton AC needs 1,200 CFM. In all changeouts, I try to tell people that you have one of two choices. 1. Make the new furnace/AC fit the old duct system. This could have implications of the duct system not being big enough. 2. Make the existing ductwork fit with the desired equipment selection. Then consider doing a startup sheet to verify the first time everything is working. Let's push on and do better. Thanks for tuning in.